Del Virgil Properties versus Courtney McCoy.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
And Keith Rutley. Okay, there's Mr. Rutley. Hello, sir. All right, what is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,620.
All right. Sir, how are you guys intending on getting that paid?
Well, uh, what happened was I lost I got laid off from my job, and my girlfriend was trying to pay it by herself, but she's doing just as much as she could. And then she got sick. Our whole house got caught COVID, so we were off for a month. And I'm trying to get unemployment. I actually just had a hearing the other day, I think 2 days ago, about getting my unemployment back. But we're planning on moving. She just got approved for Section 8 housing in Monroe, and we can't move.
So you're moving?
Yes, and we can't move until the 19th.
The 19th? Okay. What I'm gonna do, what is my turn, Dad? All right. What I'm gonna do, sir, if you were intending on moving, then you can certainly arrange a move. You're entitled to a week to try to see if you can get financing to get this or get assistance to get this paid. I'll adjourn this to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. All right, and we can see where we can go from there. I might suggest if you've got the 19th that you contact counsel and see if you can arrange a move out date so we can get this taken care of.
So is there a way that we can also like set up a payment plan, or I just gotta go through the actual?
I think you can do that also with them.
Mr. Rutley, if you want, you can call the phone number under James Fink on the court paperwork and leave your name and your number and email, and then we can get in touch with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Have a good holiday.
Have you too.
Evergreen Apartments versus Christine Baker.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
She here.
Yes.
Miss Baker?
Yes,
Okay, there you are. I was trying to pick you up on my screen. All right. What is the claim in this case? This is termination?
That is correct. The notice was sent for housekeeping concerns leading to a pest infestation. It's not relevant to the reason for the termination, but I believe Ms. Baker's voucher was terminated as well.
All right, Miss Baker,
yes.
what's your position on this termination case?
Well, it's been a problem since I moved into that place. RPI has been asked them to spray, and they're spraying what they have done hasn't done anything. It's just multiplied more. I've been fogging myself, trying to get rid of the problem.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
it's my understanding that the housekeeping issues are preventing the home from being effectively treated.
Because it's not properly prepped. Yeah, I
That's
kind of
correct.
picked up that. Okay, Miss Baker,
Yes.
are you gonna talk to an attorney to try to get you to get some help with this case?
I couldn't hear you. I'm hearing impaired.
Okay, are you gonna get an attorney?
I'm trying to listen.
Okay, are you gonna get somebody to help you with this case? Like an attorney, a lawyer?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Because
I'm gonna give you one. Go ahead.
my CMH worker has told me today that my voucher is active.
Okay.
Okay.
So why don't you give legal services a call? Okay. Maybe work through your CMH worker. Okay, and I'll adjourn this out 1 week for you to get that done, okay?
Okay.
So it'll be September 5th at noon.
The CMH worker, she's gonna be out Monday there, and to talk to me.
Okay, so I'll adjourn it to next Friday at noon. And you'll need to come in to the courthouse and be here in person, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you then. Thank you.
Mhm.
Evergreen Apartments versus Charlotte, is it Jamira?
Jillian
Hi.
Engen for plaintiff.
Is Jamira? Oh,
Hi,
there you
can you
are.
hear me?
Oh, we can hear you. You need to turn on a camera, please. And
Okay,
while
my
you do
phone,
that.
I don't know if, I don't think my phone will have a camera.
All right.
Oh wait, here we go.
Okay, what is plaintiff's, while she does that, what is plaintiff's claim?
Your Honor, I have a balance including court costs of $1,430.37.
All right. And Ms. Jamira, when are you gonna get that paid?
So I can pay like $500 on Monday, but I have an interview today with another job. I currently have two jobs. I'm working extra hours right now to cover it. I know that it's gonna roll over next month, so I'll have more to pay. So I'm just hoping to make it before the end of the month.
Before, to pay it off before the end of September?
Yes.
Okay, you're gonna have to arrange something with the plaintiff. What I'll do is I'll adjourn this out a week for you to either seek some assistance or try to see if you can get some of this paid down. But pay the $500 on the first. I will adjourn it out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Evergreen Apartments versus Dion Stevenson.
Jillian
And
Engen, oops, sorry.
it's a Rayona Tubbs.
Jillian
Yeah,
Engen for
same
plaintiff.
here.
Okay, Mr. Stevenson's here. What is plaintiff's claim?
I have a balance including court costs of $3,859.99.
All right. Okay, Mr. Stevenson, how are you guys gonna get this paid?
Well, I had contacted Hawk already, and I have a appointment with them on September the 9th. And I also did my SCR application, and DHS contacted me right before this court started, and I told them I couldn't accept the call right now. So they said that they're trying to schedule an interview for me.
Okay. What I will do, given all of that, is I will adjourn this out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. Understand that at that time, your September rent will have clicked in also. So the other thing that you're gonna need to do is in your paperwork that you receive from court, there is a rental assistance form. You need to fill that out. Drop that to the court by next Wednesday. Okay,
Okay.
that will, and you have to make sure that your tracking number for your SER is on there.
Okay, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Court calls the case of Evergreen Apartments versus Damani McWright
Jillian Engen for
And-
plaintiff.
and Linda Logan. They're both here. Where are they? Okay, I got. Okay, there's Logan, there's McWright. Okay, hello, folks. All right, what is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $900.42.
$900.42. Okay. All right, folks. How are you intending on getting that paid?
It should be paid by the 5th.
By the
The 5th.
5th, you're saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how much is your monthly rent? Are you gonna be able to pay September also, or?
So September and August will be paid by the 5th.
Okay, can that get paid before? Well, let me ask this. Can you get it paid by is that a paycheck that's coming in and putting stuff together to pay that? Is that what you're doing?
Yes, sir. I'm in between jobs. I was working at Jack Products, but they kept sending me home due to me being a temp. So I switched jobs. I currently work at FedEx, and I work at Burger King. Also, I'm just working.
Okay, all right. I'm just, the only reason I'm asking is if you can get it paid, if you're gonna get August and September paid by the 5th, if you can get it paid before noon that day or pay it on the 4th, then this case will be likely be dismissed as long as you've paid everything.
By the fourth, I don't know for sure if I can do it by the.
Well, I know. All I'm saying is, all I'm indicating is if you can get it paid, it can be dismissed.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So what I will do is I will adjourn this out September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. All right. That's an in-person hearing, so you'll have to appear at the courthouse, okay?
And if I get it paid before, I don't have to come to court.
If you get everything paid off and make sure everything's paid off, you don't have to show up.
Yes, sir.
Mr. McRae, just be in contact with Sydney. She'll let you know if it's going to be dismissed.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, folks.
Right.
Evergreen Apartments versus Matt Hilton.
Yes,
Jillian Angan for plaintiff.
here,
Okay, where
here,
thought I heard him say, oh, there he is. I got him.
I'm here.
I just had to pick you up on the screen. I got you, sir. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,271.80.
All right. And sir, how are you intending on getting that paid?
I have a job now. I was unemployed for about mid-May until beginning of August. I paid $450 like 2 days ago. And then since that was the 26th, I got the check on 14 days later is my next payday, which is something like August the 10th-ish, something like that. I have a calendar in front of me. I would be able to pay another $800 at least. I'm only getting like 25 hours of work right now. You had asked in the beginning if there are any reasons why pay hasn't been, or why rent hasn't been paid. I have a few. I went to the Southern Michigan Legal Services online, and I read some stuff and I wrote stuff down. One of them.
So you're gonna get an attorney?
I mean,
on
I
this,
would
sir?
have to, I mean, if you're gonna make it a judgment, I would have to clearly, I mean, I'm not gonna be able to pay them if I don't have a job, but I mean, I'll be able to pay I don't know how much I'll have on that check, but so if you don't want to hear about that, my managers at TJ Maxx, where I had been working, were extremely pushy, and I'd lied about my wage and hours, was one of the reasons why I became unemployed. And then when I had been
Okay,
working,
I gotcha, but
okay,
the thing is that you don't know how much you won't be able to pay anything before the 5th, correct?
the 5th of August, that's correct.
5th of September.
5th of September, I won't be able to pay then, that's correct.
Okay.
Because I
So
don't get
here's
paid
what
until a week later.
I'm gonna adjourn it out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. That's an in-person hearing, so you'll have to appear at the courthouse. And you need to try to figure out something or call counsel and see if you can arrange some type of payment plan if the landlord will enter into that, okay?
All right.
All right, thank you. Evergreen Apartments versus Dustin Mickles and Antoinette Mickles.
Jillian Angan for plaintiff.
Like Dustin's here.
Yes, I am, sir. How are
All
you
right, very
today?
good. Pardon?
Say, how are you today?
I don't know. I think I'm doing okay. Thank you for asking.
Oh,
How
you're
are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
All right. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $3,413.38.
All right. And sir, how are you intending on getting that paid?
I just wanted to let it know that I would have never got behind if when I moved over here, we were supposed to get a 3-bedroom, and 2 days before we moved in, the 3-bedroom was not available anymore. And so I don't know if you remember, but I was trying to get my housing voucher back a few months ago.
I remember.
Yeah, I just had to give it up because they wouldn't cover a 2-bedroom, which I had to go into because I had a family, I had to move. So that's the only reason that I got behind.
Okay.
Because my voucher wouldn't cover a 2-bedroom. So I just had to give my voucher up on August 23rd. But
All right.
yeah, my plan is to basically go into my 401k and take it all out so I can catch up on the rent.
Got it. Okay. So how long is that going to take you to do?
I have to pay the remaining balance of my loan, so it should be around like September 20th that I'll have it paid, because I have to wait like a 14-day grace period after I pay it off. And it's going to be paid off on the 3rd, and then I have to wait 14 days after that. So around the 20th or 22nd.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
I'm going to adjourn this out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. That's an in-person hearing. You might want to contact the attorney's office for the like your landlord and see if you can arrange either a conditional order dismissal with that plan in place.
Okay.
Or something along those lines. Okay. Otherwise, we'll deal with it when you get here.
You said September 5th. What day is that, sir?
That's a Friday.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. That'll work.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much.
Right.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Gulfside Lakes versus Dewan Winter Mate.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
You said they're here.
He is, yeah, he's coming.
Oh, there he is.
Hello.
Hello, sir. All right. What is plaintiff's claim?
I have a balance including court costs of $1,155.22.
All right. Mr. Wintermaid, how are you going to get that paid?
I just got a new job at Myers full time, so I should be able to start making payments by next week. And I also filled out an SER.
Okay, if you filled out an SER, what I'll do is I'll adjourn this to the 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. You should probably get what payment you can in because your September rent's going to click in. If you're doing an SER, there's a form that came with your packet. That's called the rental assistance form. You'll need to fill that out, put the tracking number on it, put all the information on it, including your tracking number, and submit that to the court by next Wednesday.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hamilton Crossing 2 versus Tiffany Roots.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Tiffany Roots?
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry. Just
Okay.
my camera.
I'll need it. Pardon? Oh, there you go. Okay.
Yes. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Okay. And what is plaintiff's claim?
Your Honor, I have a balance including court costs of $1,566.
This is going to go much faster because now she has an assistant. All right. All right. And ma'am, how are you intending on getting this paid?
Okay, so I was on a temporary assignment at my job, and the assignment has ended, and I currently just picked up a new assignment yesterday. I will be making a payment on Friday in an amount of $600. I also put in an SER, and I have an appointment with Hawk September 8th and September 9th for the appointment with Hawk and the appointment with my worker. So that's the plan.
That's the plan. Okay. And you'll have September rent clicking in. If you've applied for an SER, then you need to fill out the rental assistance form that came in your packet. Submit that to the court by next Wednesday.
Got
Okay.
it. Yeah.
I will adjourn this matter out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. That's an in-person hearing. You'll need to be here at the courthouse.
Got it.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hamilton Crossing 1 versus December Smith.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
December Smith?
Yes, I'm here.
There she is. Okay. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
Your Honor, I have a balance including court costs of $446.
$446. All right. Okay, Ms. Smith, how are you intending on getting that paid?
I'm confused because on my court paperwork, it only says 270.
And that's probably because it's paid. Let me take a look at what we have.
Your Honor, that's the balance before court costs.
Got it. Okay. So you got court costs on there that brought it up to the 446.
Okay. And that's another problem because I'm not working right now at the time. I've been applying for jobs. Everybody has the hire sign, but nobody is actually hiring. So I'm really not sure on when that can be paid. I can see if I can borrow it from my siblings.
Okay, let's do this. Let me put you out a week. How much is their monthly rent?
0 at the moment.
You're at 0, ma'am?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So let's do this. I'm going to adjourn this out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. Okay, that's an in-person hearing. Come down to the court and we'll try to figure it out. See if you can somehow or another get yourself caught up. If you can, in terms of talking to your siblings to help you out a little bit, okay?
Okay.
All right. So put it out to that date at that time. I'm going to ask you this. Please tell me you were born in December.
I was born in August. I just had a birthday.
What? I don't know. Okay. You were born in August and named December.
Yeah. I figured I was conceived in December.
Oh, okay. All right. Maybe I shouldn't be asking. Okay, thank you.
No, thank you.
Right. You take care.
You too.
Hamilton Crossing 2 versus Jessica Jackson.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Get her.
Okay, here she is.
Oh, there
I'm
she
here.
is. Okay, hello, Miss Jackson. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. All right, what is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $373.
Yeah.
Okay. And Miss Jackson,
Yes.
how are you going to get that paid off?
I'll have it paid next week.
Okay, so you won't be able to pay it before the first of the month, right?
No.
So you'll have,
I just paid 425 yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah, that was my whole entire check.
Okay. Is that included in the balance you have, Miss Engen?
I see a payment of $500 on the 26th. Ms. Jackson, was that a different payment than the one you're talking about?
Yeah, that was the first payment I made. I paid $525 and then $425 yesterday.
Okay, Your Honor, that might clear the balance. So let me just check with my client.
All right, Ms. Jackson, I'm going to pass your matter. Did you want me to adjourn it, Ms. Engen, or are you going to try to check with them?
I think so, Your Honor.
Adjourn
if
it
you could
out?
adjourn it, please.
Okay. So here's what I'll do, Ms. Jackson, is I'll adjourn this out. And what she's indicating is that if your balance is clear and you cleared out August, which it sounds like you have, and actually may have a little bit of a credit going in.
Yeah, that's what they told me yesterday.
September. Okay. Then the case would be dismissed. But I'll adjourn it out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. You guys have a great holiday.
You too. Thank you. Papa.